Jazz,
And we are
ANC with a twist. Today we are making arroz con salchichas, which is English for rice and chicken sausage.
This one's from Puerto Rico.
The Carmela ones, and these ones are the kinds you can find in the store. Vienna sausage. We're also going to put in some sofrito, which in Puerto Rico we keep these in our freezers, and it is basically a mixture of chopped pepper,
Garlic,
onion,
black peppercorn,
ground coriander,
oregano leaves.
and then you put them in the blender or the food processor, and then you keep them in your freezer. So we're going to put that in this recipe. We use the sofrito whenever we make like soup or rice or beans, so that's why it's important for Puerto Ricans.
We already put 2 teaspoons of it.
By the way, we're cooking for a family of 4, so it's going to be a lot more. We're going to start with the sofrito. Now let's cook the sofrito. We're going to do this in the Instant Pot. So we're going to put it on saute and put about 2 teaspoons of the sofrito in. Now we press cancel. These are our ingredients for the arroz con salchichas.
Rice,
Chicken sausage,
olive oil,
caldo de pollo, which is also known as chicken flavored bouillon,
cumin,
half a packet of sazon. For this recipe, we're going to be using the Instant Pot because it makes it so much quicker and faster and easier. And this is in honor of our mom because she loves the Instant Pot and uses it for everything. So there. By the way, this is not sponsored by Instant Pot, but if you wanted to sponsor us, we would love it. Time to cook. The first ingredient we're gonna put is rice, and in the Instant Pot you put the same amount of rice and water. So we're gonna put in 2 cups of rice because we're serving for a family of 4, and we're putting 2 cups of water. Now we put in our rice. Let's go. One cup. 2 cups. Now we put in 2 cups of water. Careful. You gonna pour it in? You can pour. Okay, 2 cups of water. Wow, that was cool. Now we're gonna put in about a tablespoon of oil, olive oil. And this is so that it doesn't stick. Now we are going to add in our chicken sausage, but we are going to cut them first. Okay. Now we're going to cut them. These are the best.
These are from Puerto Rico.
Now we're going to put them in the Instant Pot. Okay. Thank you so much for catching that. Please stay over. Put in these salchichas. Now we're going to put in about 2 teaspoons of caldo de pollo, which is or chicken flavor bouillon. 1 teaspoon. The other one. Okay, 2 teaspoons.
After that, we're gonna put in 1 teaspoon of ground cumin.
Next, we are going to put in our sazon, but we're only going to put in half the packet.
Yeah.
1
once we put all the ingredients in, we're gonna go ahead and mix it for a little bit. This smells so good.
Alright, all our ingredients are ready and it's time to cook the arroz con salchichas. So we're going to put the Instant Pot lid on. And we're going to cook it on manual for 10 minutes. We'll be back in 10 minutes. Bye! Once the Instant Pot beeps, we're going to let it self-vent for about 5 minutes, or when it says L5, and then we're going to open the vent. So let's do that. Time to open it. Okay, now it's time to open it. You ready? Okay. It's hot. Now we mix it up. It smells good. Ta-da! It smells so good. It looks good. Let's go try it. Now we're going to try it.
Ooh, we're ready for this. I have to say that it looks good. Smell delicious. Don't you think that the sofrito made a huge difference?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have tried both and we think the sofrito is the way to go. And how about the Vienna sausages, girl? What do you think?
These ones are the best.
Are
The
they?
guy-
Yeah, but we can use any kind here. It's
Yeah.
okay. So I'm ready. Very nice. Good job.
Yay!
Yeah.
And that was our arroz con salchichas
With a twist. Don't forget to like,
Subscribe.
and share.
Bye.
Bye!